Don't know where to roll.
Yeah.
Play Dingy, draw.
Maki, which was like, I'm gonna be
Pitch
honest,
signal.
season 1 Maki is not that strong. And then Potential Man. You know what I'm saying? There wasn't exactly some strong people there to help him.
No.
He was the strongest there by far.
Yeah, I'd say so. Like the old man's probably was
then
out of his
go
prime.
top two.
That's you. Oh, wait, I
Oh,
guess we should
yeah.
Here, that's right behind you. Maybe you can reach it. Just grab one of the mats.
Single?
Take a bit.
So it's top three. Character. 1, 2, 3. Riza. Since it's Riza, I do not have to pitch.
What do you want?
I'll go second.
Ready?
Riza. Sax.
Bro. Golf turn. Or, that's shit, not PC.
I kind of want to go for it.
I know that.
Also for you, anyway, but
I don't have any zeros.
You're on this card.
I kind of want to go for it.
if I wasn't going first, I would
Play that. No, that's
You know what? We're all going second.
card.
There
we go. Aggressive. Bottom. Okay.
Alright.
Dingy, top 3. 3.
Thank God for shuffling.
Riza.
Yeah.
You
No,
have
minus
you
anything.
get all your rays and you have to object and play
Riza.
it. That's terrible.
I was
Play that.
in the last round of a tournament at TDP.
Kill.
Was the
Right,
last
he's
time I
good.
played this deck.
Dingy. Restand.
Good.
I got down to like last 10
Oh,
cards.
this one's double.
And 3 of my 7 cost raids were down there. All just stacked up on each other. And I lost by
Dingy,
like
top 3.
And then I will.
3.
How long have you been playing Red Eagle for?
not long at all.
Pitch.
I have it.
Reached in. And then. This is
I've been playing it for maybe
5
Then all
damage
three
2.
on and off, you know.
And then I'll actually hit main so it goes back. Negative back. It's
I'll draw off turn.
yeah. Let's do bottom.
Okay.
And then bottom. And then I'll do this. Oh wait, I'm supposed to do it.
DP draw?
Yep. Yeah, it's just once per turn. Whenever someone attacks and wins a battle, draw a card.
Alright.
I'll let you do it this time, but
Okay.
it's on you.
I forgot it's the win a battle one, not the.
Play her, and then one cost raid, there's a top 3 side either one. You can play one 3 stands. You rest of partners, you can play key costs from your hand, set the rest of them. And then when you play the top 3, top 2 is yeah, 14 core guard squad, which is pretty much everything. And then I'll play Shinji.
Put this under. Your turn. Put it under that. I'll leave it there. Yep. 5K force block. Draw. And
I'm gonna have
2K
a
bottom.
couple different piles over here.
Color. Bring back.
Freestanding. Well,
So I will play movie date. So I choose one following. I choose the first one. One character on my field. It gains 1,000.
No. Bring back.
Doesn't matter.
Riza. Draw.
This is a.
Pitch. Draw.
Alright, I'll do there.
Genji.
This is the deck I was looking at for Chainsaw Man, but I keep getting Rize cards and bomb
Minus
cards.
5K. Top 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I guess I can.
Did you kill
So
it?
basically,
Yeah, that was the deck.
all purple cards besides Makima are now treated as event cards in all locations, and I can switch them to active and then just one event. So I can play those.
That counts, is that just for this turn? Is that just okay.
So I'll play the Angel Rebel, so I play 2 events. I'll play Into the Front, so I play 2 events, comes into active.
Okay.
Cause you rated, or, right, you played that first.
Special your piece of pin, and I get to get them 1,000 just for the
Yes, sir. Oh, which one?
That's a special, right?
Yeah. So I'll leave that to the side. Sorry. This one?
It's just
color.
iron.
Oh, okay. Okay. Slow, AP draw. Healing.
Swing 4K.
Inflation, reduce to do the face-up card in the life, reduce the next 2 costs by 1. Then he already gets reduced by 1, so replay him.
Save high school.
I will. He gets reduced by a face-up card as well. And this one reduces by 1 as well.
You get that 1 points, right?
Uh,
It says play is things you got, right?
I'll.
play 1 digi, yeah. So that you.
Okay, we'll do one at a time then.
This card. And then active main. Pitch. And then active. Swing for 4.
Freeze that.
This card. Do 5.
2 farms in my box.
That's crazy.
On as well.
Yeah, but I'm fine.
So he says, he played, he ends up with 1 character, so it will remain set to resting until the end of the next attack phase. But if I have 6 or more 13 core guard squad, affinity cards on my field, choose up 1 character.
Got 2 fingers.
Switch it, and I'll have characters on the back line. They will stay rested until the end of the phase. So, because I played him, I do have 6 others, so they can't work that. I'll do that.
Sorry, I played if Makima's on my
And
field.
they'll move those, so this will stay, because it's not a character, and then the way he works, if you hit an active trigger, you can target him, but he will not stand up. Because this is like, it's like the next one freeze, because it specifies when they can.
No, no, 4K.
And,
25K. Do the impact.
Alright. Push.
I'll just play movie day. Choose the second option, so draw 2 cards.
Kill streak.
And if you have
Two.
Makima's on my field.
I don't know if you play rated rate, you can still rate over top of them, you can use the card for full effect. Or if,
One event.
I'm pretty sure that
Since I played one event, you get 1,000.
actually, no, yeah, everything will be frozen, so there's no way he can stand until this, but you can, but you can rate over him.
So active main once per turn, I can only activate this if I use an event this turn, so I have like this one. I get to give some impact.
Genji. Stand.
And then
going to play Masato, and then I can choose 1 character and move it to the other line. And then
I'll make a quick one. No,
I'm going to pitch 2 cards,
nothing.
pay the AP to do his active main, and I'm going to play him to the front and then do this one to swap. Does it have any try?
5k impact damage. Shoot.
And then I will swing.
Damn. Safe ass hook.
He love him some baddies.
And then
Double your flavor, double your fun. Good God.
Restand. Play this shit. I choose one character on your front line and then it gets failed. I'll do Genji. Switch to resting and it remains resting. And then if there's a face-up card, then I add it to your hand, and then he gets switched to active, and then I turn the top card up as well. And then I will.
Cannot be affected by special.
Yes. If fails, I will be able to draw 2 cards and then cycle my card. It's a one-side draw for turn.
Do you have the bomb one as well?
Well, I'm gonna want to back it, so.
I'll activate main,
Does get side by no.
and then I will activate main. And I will swing for 4.
Oh, really?
Okay.
That's why it was.
Alright, we'll play this token.
And then
He says, play if 6 or more other 13 board cards while in the middle. That way he's in practice or somewhere, and then you can add a token from the sideline.
Okay.
Something like Great. So this, that's my turn.
Okay.
do the.
Don't forget this is the same.
That's you.
Is everything else for this? And
So he's rested, or
Yeah, he's arrested.
he has, his BP can be reduced, he always has impact 1, and then he gains 2 effects because my bottom card is a 4 cost. If your base card is, if you rated on 4 cost, he gains, if he would die, by battle or by one of your effects, I can discard a card and I can just get rid of the top. And then the other thing he gains is when played, he is a 5 damage.
Great.
I will swing 5.
How many races the deck runs?
8. I haven't seen one.
8? Are they all Maximas?
4 or 5, 2 specials.
So you get to flip both of them, because he does have the option, so you can flip them at the same time. Result in
I hate playing board decks that I'm into.
This is.
I know Dakota runs this deck, but I don't think he runs it super often.
The bomb.
This massive person. This one says once per turn. Is that just saying that card only, or if I have multiple almost?
It's just this one per turn. If it's in the brackets, then that means that name specifically is a 1 hard per turn.
So I have 2 on the front line. I have to do
Yeah.
both.
those were all safe rows. Yes.
Okay.
So question.
First,
I'm minus 5k. Does he come back with the undercard under him or just that card?
Just him by himself raw.
I was reading that card.
I do her active main, which kills her,
So 2 swings and roll.
and then I will super her. And then I also get to draw 2 cards. And then the next,
Pause on that.
because of this, the next,
Minus
the next Evangelion 01 or Shinji played from hand is produced by
Discard
One
one
Energy.
Kill here.
You can, yes.
Restand AP, draw 2 cards.
I will then pitch 2 cards.
You just create them for it.
Yes.
So you can, this just keeps them rested, it does not keep them frozen.
Digging for restand.
Yeah.
I'll hit one of all the front lines.
So if you
Here's
this,
our
one
card.
AP, if I use this item.
But I'm pretty sure all my pitches is
And since I didn't play it from hand, the next one I can play
And I think the rest of them are those.
So I will put
So you hit one out of life like you one restand.
I haven't seen a single one anywhere.
so I will put in
Hey, but you hit 2 baddies though. They were pretty batty.
I'm just going to raid onto him.
And then he does, so you didn't do it last time?
Yes.
He has like an
By
effect.
1 energy.
So like he.
I play 2 events, so he's got both abilities and also without.
When I use this active base, it gets reduced by the next character or Evangelion will get reduced by.
Not even those 2.
So like
It's
that's.
like, did you get it?
So I have 6.
Impact.
Swing. Or up block.
Same pass.
The second part can either come in or.
Crazy thing is, even with 1 energy, I have enough to rebuild,
I can.
but I have 1 life.
That's insane. That's AP Reese.
I
AP
can
draw.
draw 1.
Maybe draw as well.
1 up to 1
I will
energy, raid energy.
play Shin, grab the top 3.
And then I can take, after I swing, I can take the.
Just hit it.
What is that here? Okay, that's fine.
Do we have to? It's not necessary. You already killed 2 of them.
Well, they're like in there, but they're baddies, man.
Right, he's got
That's what I
With him.
Is it impact or what is it?
So,
Let's see.
since he only has
Nope.
2 cards.
Nope.
I guess not 5
It's
minutes.
just a
Okay.
5.
Nope.
If I got
Nope.
all 4.
Then I'll give it his main since there's
That's the first one.
Now.
This is what I had. I just drew that out.
And
And then
Second
I'm
one,
not gonna play that.
third.
after,
Let's see what's in here.
Draw.
Oh my goodness. It was 2 baddies or 2 chainsaws.
No, so
I
hand,
was like, where are my chainsaws at? Everything was gonna start coming back up.
plenty enough to rebuild,
This one, draw.
and 2 more bombs.
So I activate
Yeah.
his main, so he's impact, so I'll swing.
I couldn't find a restand to see.
I was like, where are my boys at? They were. I think either one you picked on that damage
So,
too was gonna
for this
be
didn't
very
real
good for
bad.
you either way.
Real bad for me, real